ganun?
Number, tsaka word. May assignment tayo. 155.
It's okay. I'm
It's
good.
okay. You need to eat because you're sick.
So, prepare ka ng food for me?
Yeah.
Ang sweet mo naman. Pero hindi ka pa nagbibihis.
It's okay. I can show love to you.
Aw, I love you.
I love you too.
Good.
For this food, I can show you that I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too so much. That's that told me that you're sick. So I always want to take care of you when you're sick. And what are you doing?
Nothing. What Papa told to you na mama sick?
Yeah. So and then I was in surprise, and I thought it was a surprise or toy.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Kala niya kasi, malaki pa ng ngiti niya eh. Kala niya bibili kami. Kasi ako lang bantay. Ako lang nagsundo. Alam niyo na, ang laki ng ngiti niya.
Ay, nagbili ka ng toys? Nagbili ka ng
kasi
toys?
sabi ko sa kanya, nag-buy na kami kaninang umaga eh. Di ba? May buy na kaninang umaga. Here, ay, nasa na ba yung bola-bola mo? Ay, where's your bola?
Hello.
O sige, you take care of mama muna.
Okay.
Masarap yan.
This is peanut butter. It's so good.
Saan kaya?
Chunky.
Don't put a lot of peanut butter. That's too much na.
Just got to finish this, Mom.
Eat mo na lang yan.
Good.
Sa'yo na lang. Merienda mo.
No, it's for you now.
Nawala mo yung ano niya. Yung bola.
Okay.
Ayun lang yun ako. Mamaya na natin yung mga.
And it's gonna be your favorite bread.
That is my favorite. Ah.
A sandwich bread.
Ah. Thank you. I love you. Thank you,
I
anak.
love you. Wait, I forgot something.
What?
We got to drink
Drink what?
coffee.
Magtitimpla ka ng coffee?
Yeah. Ugh. Whoa, this thing is hard to.
Ginawa niya na ako ng tinapay. No choice ako. Kainin ko na.
Hindi na lang pwede tanggalin yung pinagising. Wala na.
Where are you going?
Oh. Which cup can you have? Okay.
Careful lah. Careful.
Thanks.
You don't have spoon.
Onion. Thanks. Okay. Now can you open this?
Kape talaga?
Yeah. Because I know that it's your favorite.
Gano'ng karami yung ganito mo? Magkakape ka ba? Wala kang choice. Gano'ng karami?
Gusto mo drink?
Water na lang ako.
Oh, coffee na lang.
Bakit coffee? Ayaw ni mama eh. Baka di niya inumin.
Sige, inumin ko na.
Oh.
How much? You? That much?
Sige, more.
That much?
Sige. Sige.
Okay na yun.
Natin.
I'll put water.
Yes, but wala tayong ano. Wala tayong water na ano. Na
Mainit.
hot. Mainit.
How about you boil some?
Boil. I want you to put this one. 1 cup of milk.
Siya ng ano.
Okay. Alright.
Careful on that, ha?
One scoop.
Yeah, 1 scoop only. Enough na.
Okay. Alright. Yes. I'm
This one?
so happy that I get to do this.
This one pa.
Okay. You open it. A little because you're sick.
A little lang, ha?
Konti lang na.
More pa, more pa. More pa. Ang onti naman yan.
Oh. I think that's enough sugar.
Yeah, that's enough sugar.
Yeah. Because you're sick, Mom. You just need a little sugar.
Maganda to na paggabi, oh. Tigo.
Ang sarap-sarap naman. Paggawa mo, sarap.
Thanks, Mom. Well, you can say that again.
Can I say it again? Oh,
Yeah.
tama na. Tama na, oh. Mabagsak yan. Enough na, enough na, enough.
Okay, enough sugar.
Yeah, enough sugar. That's so much sugar.
You just need quantity sugar. That is the boiled water done.
Hindi pa punak eh. Wait lang, wait.
Okay. Well, you just got to wait now.
Oh.
Change ka muna ng clothes.
Alright. Start it off. Okay. Dad, can you Okay.
Careful, careful.
Tapos
Oh,
sa
it
spina.
looks green. Do you actually eat green? Oh, now it's green. Mom, do you actually eat it's hot one?
Yeah, enough na. Okay na?
Smells good,
Yeah.
but got to stir it more.
Ikaw, anong one food?
Oh, enough na, enough na, enough na.
Bibili si Dada.
Enough. No. Taste it. Taste it. And then tell me if it's good.
Good na. Thank you.
Puti pa sa huwag si Mama
Ako na.
kainin.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.